Hey everyone! If your Steam game won't launch, or keeps closing after you open it, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Steam games not launching. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us grow. Now let's get started. Open Steam. Go to your library. Right-click the game that's not launching. Then click Properties. Open the Install Files tab. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for Steam to finish checking the game files. If any files are missing or corrupted, Steam will automatically repair them. Once it's finished, try launching the game again. If the game still doesn't open, go back to Properties. Click Installed Files. Then click Browse. The game folder will open. Find the games.exe file. Right-click it. Then select Show More Options. Click Properties. Open the Compatibility tab. Enable Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply. Then click OK. Also, make sure Windows is fully updated. And install the latest graphics driver for your GPU. Now launch the game again. Your game should now open normally. That's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video. Subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. If you're still having this problem, leave a comment below. We'll do our best to help you. Thanks for watching.